Now I am going to remove the brake pedal, hopefully. First, I need an Allen key that size, which I have. Before I do that, I will remove that split pin that holds that pin in. Yep, it's just a common old garden type little split pin. Which I'm not getting onto. Bloody hell. There we are, that squeezed it. Should just push through the other side now. It's not going to, of course. That would be easy. We'll have it in a minute. There we go. This one split pin out. Straighten that out for future use. Now that toggle comes out of there. Now I don't know what that mounts into. So I'll just... Oh god, that's tight. And there's a ruddy big spring on that. Is there a nut on the other side? Yeah, there's a bloody great nut on the other side of that. On the looks of it. Is that welded in place, or is it... It's not moving. Bit of an extension on it. What's happening? That's turning the nut on the inside. So I need to get a spanner in there. It's all tucked away, so I'm doing all this by feel. Isn't that fun? Oh, the knot on the nut. At this stage I don't even know if it's the right size. There we go. I would suggest that's too big. That's good, because that's one of my bigger ones. Of course there's a really great big spring there, which I'm going to have to deal with. This might actually be the right size. It's a 17mm. And as soon as it comes out, this these springs will go berserk on me. Oh no, there's not much pressure on it. There we go. A bit of an anticlimax. So that's the shaft that went through. I don't know what the ring in the middle was for. Oh. There we go. It's out. As you can see, that's why we were replacing it. It's a bit bent. Well, probably easier if I didn't have that cylinder guard in the way, but I do, and I don't feel like moving if I don't have to. There we go. It's got a washer from somewhere. I wonder where that was from. It would be from that little thing I removed earlier. Maybe try and line this up. Go. Slide up through there, and we just put the nut back on. Find the back of the bolt. There it is back there. It's always fun working by feel. Okay. The background's beginning to move, so we'll need to put the spanner back on that to hold it. There's the nut. Here we go, here's the nut. You can see it nip up. Do that up nice and tight. Still working. Yeah, get that through there. There we go, that's through there. The washer's gone on the back. Now I've got to find the hole for the split pin, which of course is behind everything. Ah, it went straight in. How's that? I was a genius. Things have got to go right sooner or later. Ouch. Go. It's always the simple things that give you the grief, isn't it? Ouch. Oh, hell, unfortunately. It's probably open enough to get the needle nose in there now. Yep. There we go. And we have an operating brake lever again. Whew, that was easy. Now for my next job.